Hello everyone, this is Chris Rochnut24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up. Today we're going to be unboxing the August Smart Lock Pro Connect kit. This comes in a few different pieces, and this is the second generation August Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled smart lock. We like that the case fits everything in one. Before, you used to have to buy the Connect and the lock separate. Now it comes all in one unit. So this is a Bluetooth to wireless conversion unit right here. You just plug it into the wall, make sure it's pretty close to the lock, and then you can communicate with the lock securely through the internet over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So we like this new area up here to know where the lock is in relationship to being open or locked. And then we have the back here, which is where it connects to your hardware for your deadbolt. Now it works with most deadbolts, and then your batteries will go inside of here. Last time I installed the first model, it only took about 5 minutes, so it was pretty easy. Here is one of the plates for the wall, and then they give you some other pieces here to fit things. So basically it's all here. We like that it's one kit now, and the software has been easy to use. I've used it for a couple of years. I like it, and we're excited to test the second version. So welcome to August Smart Home, and you can give access to friends and family or just open the door when they arrive, and if you're not home, then you can shut it behind them.